worst part is, like, having degenerative disc disease, it's like nothing works. Like, no matter what you do, it's still gonna hurt. It's the disc. You can't do anything about it. No amount of like massage or stretches or anything like that helps. My neck, my back. Talking to a hot babe. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. What? How much further do you need to go than just watching the stream for a hot babe right in front of your face? It's like arthritis. Yeah, exactly. Fucking blows. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to the eventual future where I have to fucking like get surgery or some shit on it. Who knows? If I keep wearing this backpack, it might come sooner rather than later. Feel me? I have scoliosis. Naproxen. I haven't heard of that before. Yeah, I need to like. Well, I've been to a doctor for it, but the only real thing they could do is like either surgery or physical therapy to like strengthen the area. So, not really much to do. Not really much to do. Tried to walk up to her, but she kind of walked away, so rip. She like saw me with the camera and she like whoop. Complete opposite direction. Does doing pull-ups help? No, it makes it worse. Oh, it's a leave? Gotcha. Yeah, I haven't tried any medication for it. Oh, yeah, I might have to fucking end early today. This is especially bad. Maybe I can, you know what? Let me see if I can like wrap my backpack around my waist or something somehow, maybe. Anti-inflammatory. Let's see. Who can we ask? Who can we ask? There's some guy by himself over here. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Family showed up. Let's head back over to Main Street, maybe. A lot of strain in my hands holding the selfie stick as well. I'm just getting old. Can't do what I used to do. Go slip. Why am I hurting? Because I touch myself at night. God hates me. Yeah, Desi, I know you've been dealing with a lot of back pain too. It's not fun. It is not fun. Yeah, I think maybe it's about time that I start going to physical therapy. I was kind of putting it off because I didn't have a car. But now that I have a car, I can like get around a little more easily. So who knows? Maybe I'll start up some physical therapy for my back, help it out. Where'd the backpack